I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point why
had to cut her off, it was painless. Show me fake love, it was shameless. I should've known that we would never make it. Now my heart is cold, feeling vacant. I just wanna move on, and I don't know how I could be so dumb. Lie to me and say you wouldn't run. The echoes in my head go on and on, but I'll be fine, I'm better off without you. You know how to mess up a good thing, acting like you care, you weren't there for my dark days. How could I have been so blind, let you walk right over me? I gave you time, now I'm off that. I don't wanna run away from all my mistakes, but I'm so ashamed of all the time I waste. I do my own thing, I won't let you slow me down. Went my own way, yeah, you barely know me now. Lost another one, life goes on. I'll find another one, it won't take long now. How many times will this happen to me? But I guess I don't mind. Had to cut her off, it was painless. Show me fake love, it was shameless. I should've known that we would never make it. Now my heart is cold, feeling vacant. I just wanna move on. I don't know how I could be so dumb. Lie to me and say you wouldn't mind. The echoes in my head go on.
Are you serious?
Well, everybody want a bad bitch. I just want a bad bitch. Police at my door, they keep on asking where the stash is. She don't really love me, I just know that she an actress. Well, I don't really need her, I'ma put her on the blacklist. She was in my DMs, but I don't really want her. If anybody wants smoke, I'ma smoke her. Yeah, and if he talking down, he a goner. Yeah, I'ma send him to the sky like a stoner. Riding with the gun, I'ma squeeze, can't breathe, no asthma. Everything I say is straight lava, no plasma. Walk into the building and I'm causing a disaster. I'ma go ghost on the bitch, no Casper. I ain't tryna be a friend unless I can get it in. I've been laying low and I've been stacking up my dividends. I'ma give it straight to you, bitch, I don't need no middleman. But I'ma keep it quiet, I don't really know who's listening. I keep my hoodie on cause I don't really wanna be seen. I gotta watch the people who ain't playing for my team. You keep on talking, I don't really know about what you mean. I'm only focused on the green, ho.
From the 519 to the 613. You can cause on my spit, they already know me. I know sneakers, so I'm the type to pull up on your clip. But a 30-06, semi-automatic, go tie your shit. But bitch, I'ma pull up with a stick. Bands on my neck and on my wrist. Yeah, I'm just telling you what I done did. Since you told me that I wouldn't be shit. Yeah, shout out to my brother though. We got a pack made of flipping, now I'll run it up. You think you cash, making your career martyrdom. I'll be busting out these barrels like I'm Donkey Kong. You a bitch, but it's good. I eat pussies for breakfast. I don't need no one telling me about how I need to be flexing. You don't know shit about my life, stop trying to get my attention. I might get flooded out the chain just to curb my depression, alright?
Well, everybody want a bad bitch. I just want a bad bitch. Police at my door, they keep on asking where the stash is. She don't really love me, I just know that she an actress. Well, I don't really need her.
Let me take you to the spotlight. I can take you for the day life. I can take your pain and I. Let me take you to the spotlight. I can take you to the spotlight. I can get you out of your damn mind. I can get you out of this damn life. Go back to the store where we had it all, sipping Hennessy, going through it all. I know you don't want love. Now I know you've had enough. Heartbroken, yeah, your strings are sprung. They want you, said they were the one. Oh, let me take you to the spotlight. I can take you to the spotlight. I can take away your damn mind. Let me take you to the spotlight. I can get you out of your damn mind. I can get you out of this damn life. Go back to the start.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even